Do you ever watch yourself and feel bad for being vile and being part of another woman? I'm part of whose pain, and um, how am I vile? I'm vile to whom? I mean, all I can say to you guys is that a lot of things happen behind the scene. You guys see whatever that you guys see on TV. But I mean, Jengamanje, where are the cameras? You guys don't know what's happening right now in my life. And then, I don't know when cameras come, we start shooting. And then what happens? So, ziningi izinto that happen off camera. And too bad, when cameras are rolling sometimes, you reflect on the things that happened when cameras were off. You know, and when those cameras roll, nje awuthi ngingakhulumi kakhulu, but nje a lot happens behind the scenes. A lot happens when cameras are not rolling. That's all I can say. So ninathatha nje lokho nikubonayo ku-TV and say whatever you guys want to say about it. But we know our truth.
Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezichisa Bay Entertainment, guys. Before ndingene kule video, I just want to say utirelo mna, guys, ndiyambeliva yonke into ayitshileyo kula live yoba abanye abantu kwi-reality TV show izingane zesithembu, they hide their true selves and paint themselves as if bazi angels, guys. Remember, even kuthando nesithembu, the wives had revealed something similar into yokokubana khona i-wives ezingosathane behind the scenes, you understand. But once kwakhona i-cameras baba ngongcwele just because they are buying amehlo abantu. It's something that uMayeni has revealed when ke wayexabana noMakhumalo, uMakhumalo efuna uba babe ngo-sister wives. Wathi wena Thobile uyangixaka because kunezinto ozenzayo when the cameras are off, but in front of the cameras so ufuna uba ngomnye umntu. So I really 100% believe uTirelo xa ithi yena sometimes usuke reactor kwinto umntu ebemenze yona when the camera was off, but yena because lo mntu lo is trained, is a trained actress, uyakwazi ukuhide ii-feelings zakhe xa sekukhona ii-cameras. Also another thing, abantu ke bebembuza uba why wena ungahambi umshiye uMpumelelo because noVuyokazi umshiyile. Guys, there is nothing better about uVuyokazi. uVuyokazi naye ubhudlize umtshato wabanye abantu. At this point isithetha indoda yakhe has been trending, I don't know for how many weeks, into yokuba isiskema laa ndoda ibaleka nemali zabantu, ininzi nje into eyenzayo laa ndoda. But what did uVuyokazi do? Did she listen to any of this powerful fan base? No, she did not. But abantu, they are judging uTirelo. I'm so sorry, guys. Kule video lena nje ndisecaleni likaTirelo. Abantu abaninzi, they are judging uTirelo just because yena is doing the same thing but uyenze kuVuyokazi, so yena makajudge. But uVuyokazi xa isenza the same thing eyenziwa kuye nguTirelo, then no, she is Queen Elizabeth, indoda emkhethileyo. To hell with the other women, baby mama abakhalayo ngalo baby daddy amtsha osebenza le e-United Kingdom. I really don't like about that shame about uVuyokazi. That side of her shame, ndiyazibona zonke ezinye izinto, but le andiyithandi. And also baninzi, there's so many girlfriends kaMpumelelo abakhala about the same thing, but one day uVuyokazi sizombona i-true colors zakhe, guys. So yeah, these are the news of the hour. Your thoughts, let's engage, and ngizonibona on the next one. Bye.